Guys, this home has been fully rendered from the outside with a new coat of paint, new bathroom, new kitchen, downlights, new floorboards. This home has had the work. You have to come and see this one, guys. This stunning kitchen with heaps of storage, stone bench top, stainless steel appliances and gas cooking is to bring out the master chef in you. This backyard's got this stunning alfresco area for your family to relax and enjoy. With side access and a beautiful backyard, you have big enough space for a potential granny flat.